I'm making a old-fashioned carrot cake with a cream cheese frosting for a Super Bowl party, and I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to make a carrot cake for Super Bowl, and I have literally been making this cake for over 50 years. It was a recipe from my cousin Patsy, and it's really simple and it's really delicious. What you'll need is 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup of a neutral oil like a canola oil, 4 eggs, 2 cups of flour. You need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda. 3 cups of shredded carrots, a cup of chopped walnuts, and a cup of raisins. And it just all goes together so easy. So I just start out by adding the sugar, the oil, and the eggs. It's a very forgiving recipe, almost like a dump cake recipe. But let me get this mixed together. I'm going to add the spices, salt, and baking soda. And now the flour. I told you guys this is an easy cake. Next, just fold in the grated carrot. Raisins and nuts. We get this all mixed together. This cake is so moist. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to get it divided into the 2 cake pans. One of my subscribers, Butter Yum, had recommended Baker's Joy. It's a baking spray that has flour in it. I had never seen this before. I ordered it from Amazon, so I'm going to give this a try at her recommendation. She did say to shake it really good, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to spray it. So this has the spray plus the flour in it already. How clever is that? Oh my goodness. That makes it really easy and fast. Okay. Baker's Joy. Bake in a preheated 325-degree oven for 45 minutes. That cooking spray worked like a charm. The cakes just popped out. I have them on a tray, and I'm going to go ahead and let them cool, and then we'll get them frosted. In my bowl, I have 2 8-ounce cream cheese, a half a cup of softened butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to get this all mixed together. That's what the carrot cake looks like when you slice it, and it is super moist. Totally easy cake to make.